Good morning. Welcome to your Friday, July 7th, 10 a.m. weather briefing. Yesterday across the region we had a good amount of rainfall across much of the area as we had some heavy showers and thunderstorms develop west of the bay, and as they made their way across the bay they actually fell apart, but then during the middle portions of the afternoon it did intensify and eventually dropped through the Wallops area where we did get a good amount of rainfall at 0.77 inches. Pax River, however, saw the most rainfall yesterday, just over 3 inches of rain. Just south of the Wallops area in Accomack, there were reports of 4 inches of rain, so it was quite a deluge of rainfall yesterday across much of the region. As far as temperatures are concerned, they were pretty much all over the place with temperatures in the mid-70s to the lower 90s. Norfolk was the warmest at 91 degrees. Here at Wallops we got up to a high of 84 degrees, which is seasonable for this time of year. And overnight last night, a very muggy night with temperatures in the lower 70s to the upper 70s. 71 degrees was the coolest temperature at both here at Wallops and Salisbury. And currently across the region as of 9 a.m. we had temperatures ranging from the mid 70s to the lower 80s. 81 degrees here with partly cloudy skies as of 9 a.m. Our current upper air sounding showing a west-southwesterly wind at 25 knots and showing a more active wind field than what we have seen in the past couple days, as our wind max right now is at 47 knots at the 9,000 foot level out of a west-southwesterly direction. Our freezing level this morning was at 15,200 feet. Our current surface analysis showing a frontal boundary off to our north that is slowly pushing southward, and we should see a slight chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm this afternoon associated with this frontal boundary as it does push through the area. However, the air mass behind this boundary really isn't that impressive and will do little to knock down our temperatures at all as we head into tomorrow. However, a secondary boundary located currently over the northern Great Lakes will be dropping through our area later on Saturday, and then that will be ushering in a cooler and more seasonable air mass for this time of year, and we should see dew points also drop off slightly, so we shouldn't see quite the humid conditions as what we will be experiencing today and tomorrow before this secondary boundary drops through the region on Saturday. If we look at our current radar imagery, again, we do have some light shower activity associated with the frontal boundary well off to our northwest. Also some convective activity moving into northern Delaware and western New Jersey. Again, we will be running a slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. But if they do develop, they will be widely scattered. We're only carrying about a 15% chance of a thunderstorm after 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as we look at our Friday midday planner, as you can see, a model chart putting out some shower chances for the area, and can be expected with this frontal boundary dropping through the area. It will be isolated, and as we head into the evening time frame, our skies will begin to clear as we head into the later portions of this evening and into the overnight hours. So we'll average out clear to mostly clear tonight, but however temperatures will only be dropping down into the lower 70s, again with dew points still remaining in the lower 70s as well. As we go into Saturday morning, we'll start off mostly sunny, and that'll continue throughout the day. However, we should have a pretty strong southwesterly flow, and we'll see our temperatures rising into the lower to mid-90s across much of the area. We'll be fairly humid as well, so we'll have a hot and humid day before this secondary boundary moves through the region Saturday night, which will be producing a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms before moving out of the area by Sunday morning, providing a more seasonable day on Sunday under mostly sunny skies. So as we look at the 24-hour risk chart for the next 24 hours, we do run the risk of having some higher winds today, as we will be flirting with that 25 knot wind mark, so we could be potentially issuing an advisory here during the later portion of this morning, and that'll continue into this afternoon. As we get past the 12 o'clock hour this afternoon, we'll see an increase in our cloudiness as we go throughout the morning into this afternoon, but then we'll introduce a slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm, about a 15% chance, with a westerly wind at 12 to 17 knots, gusting to 24 knots. Those clouds and winds will begin to subside behind this frontal passage later this afternoon into the evening, eventually becoming mostly clear, and then we'll average out clear to mostly clear tonight, with our low around 73 degrees tonight, with a light southwesterly wind at about 5 to 10 knots. As we head into Saturday, expecting mostly sunny, hot, and humid conditions with a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms late with a high of 93 degrees, and that'll be before a frontal boundary moves through the area. Those shower and thunderstorm chances will continue to right around midnight and then taper off, becoming mostly clear towards the dawn time frame Sunday morning with a low of 70 degrees, and then on Sunday, mostly sunny and more seasonable with a high of 83 degrees. Looking at our 7-day forecast, we should see seasonable conditions as we get into the later portion of this weekend and into early next week. Then our frontal boundary will move north of the area with high pressure shifting offshore as well, setting the stage for more return flow over the area and bumping our temperatures back up into the upper 80s on Tuesday with humidity returning. See a high of 88 degrees. And then on Wednesday, with our upper level flow becoming more zonal, we'll have several waves of energy passing over the region with a frontal boundary that'll be looking like it'll be stalled to our north for Wednesday. So we do run the chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. We'll get up to a high of 92 degrees. And then on Thursday, much of the same before that front does look to move through the area. However, it does look to hold off until Thursday night into Friday morning. But we do run the chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon. And we'll get up to a high of 91 degrees on Thursday. Well, that'll conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you Monday morning for the 8:15 Daily Ops weather briefing. Have a great day.